Do you have pain from bending over in the garden a lot? Well, I sure did. So years ago, I got this Tom Care kneeler and seat for my gardening. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this garden kneeler and seat. It's from Tom Care, and it can be reversed. It can be a seat like this, or you can reverse it and you can kneel down in the garden with it. I'll demonstrate that in a few minutes. First, I want to go over the features. This is a Tom Care one. It has a removable tool pouch. And then the other side, it has one that Velcros on, so it stays on. I kind of like that one better, to be honest. So it has nice padding here for your knees. And in the garden, you can either sit on it and garden, keep your back nice and straight without bending over. I've had this one for about a year now, but I've had another one for about 15 years and really like them a lot. And as you're a senior like me, if you use this in the garden, these handles are nice because you can push up on them and stand right back up. So that's a very nice feature. And also when you're kneeling on it, it's nice padding for your knees. So if you have any knee issues, that feels pretty good to that. So you can bend over in the garden and you can use these to push back up. I love this feature. So also you can store it very easily, just like this. It's just a little thing that you pull here, and then you can store it away nice and easily in the winter when you're not using it. The only cons that I have of this thing is don't leave it out in your garden. I did that to my first one. I think I had my first one for a long time, and then it got rusty on the metal pieces. But that's really the only con I can see to this one. I also don't use this pouch much because it keeps falling off because I turn it over all the time. This seat I think can hold up to 350 pounds. It's very comfortable to sit on for long periods of time, which is great, and it's also very lightweight. It probably weighs less than 5 pounds. So that's a great thing. I would definitely recommend this to anybody. I use mine constantly. I have other seats like that one over there, but I do use this one the most because I think it's more versatile than other seats on the market. Thanks. Have a good day.